Hey Girl Scouts! This week for our campfire cooking, we are going to do something a little bit different. We're going to make spring rolls. So for this one, all you'll need is a skillet. We're going to use a pie iron, some sort of kind of like Asian lettucey, cabbagey mix, whatever kind of vegetables you like, as well as some spring rolls or egg roll wraps. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to open up our package, and we are going to pour the vegetables into our skillet with a little bit of oil. I have sesame oil, and then we're going to cook it over the fire for a couple minutes, and then we'll bring it back in and work with the egg rolls. My salad mix, and I'm just going to go ahead and put it over the fire on my skillet, kind of evened out the logs as much as I could, and we're just going to stir it. I did add a little bit of sesame seed oil, like I said, or sesame oil, and I'm just going to kind of stir it and saute it just for a couple minutes so we get a little bit soggy. The salad mix I came with noodles. Some of them do, some of them don't. This was a teriyaki mix, stir fry mix. I've also used just like salad mixes, and you can kind of hear it's starting to sizzle. And then we'll come back in a little bit and see how it's doing. For you who are foodies out there, you can also add some ginger to this, preferably before you cook it, but our skillet's still pretty warm, so we'll just kind of shave a little bit of ginger in there, and you can also add some garlic as well. We have our veggies all done, so now I'm just going to grab an egg roll sheet. So they're very, very thin, kind of like phyllo dough. Pull one up, put it on here, kind of on a diagonal. Grab a spoonful of my filling, put it right in the middle, just like that. And then I'm just going to take some water and kind of run the water along the edges of it. And I'm going to fold this up and kind of seal the edges. Sealing, and take the left and right sides, fold them over. Okay, and then I'm just going to kind of roll this up like that, and just make sure that this bottom is nice and sealed. So you can probably make 2 or 3 of them, and then we're going to put them in our pie iron and roast them over the fire. I have a couple egg rolls made right here, so we're just going to pour a little bit of our sunflower oil, or sesame oil, just a little bit, into our pie irons. Then we're going to place them in here. They already start kind of cooking. I think we can fit about 2 in here. And then we're going to go put them over the fire. So it's been cooking for a couple minutes. Looks pretty good. Check the other side. I think we're pretty much done. So we're going to take them out and take them back to the plate. There we go. Alright. Okay, so we're all done. I'm just going to plop them onto my plate. Little burnt piece, but that's okay. I've got some sauce. They're very hot, so I'm not going to try it quite yet, but they do smell good. Kind of check it out. They need to cool a bit.